Hey guys! You may recognize my guest, Megan Ford.
And you guys might also remember Ford's first haircut, which did not turn out that great.
Looks like a toupee in the back.
Oh my gosh, it does.
So now Ford comes to my house to get his hair cut. You guys requested the tutorial, and today we're gonna show you guys how to cut boys' hair.
I'm Laura, and as a former makeup artist, I love sharing easy style and beauty tips that help moms feel their best.
Fordy, when was your last haircut? It's looking a little shaggy. Does this tickle your ears?
No.
Fordy, now it's time to make you look like a superhero with a cape. You ready? All right, this is gonna prevent all those little hairs from getting all over his neck. If that happens to my boys, haircut is over, they hate it. And then grab a towel and just tuck it around, and that's really gonna tighten it up. Oh no, you look so cute!
Okay, so what do we do first?
So today we're gonna use clippers, and I've got mine right here. I'm also using guides on mine because that prevents you from being able to mess up, which I find to be essential. I'm gonna start with the sides, and I'm using a 3 today. Are you ready, Fordy? Okay, let's do this. And I'm just going up the sides just so you get kind of when the head starts to curve around, and you wanna go against the direction of the hair.
Okay, so what does a 3 represent?
So they're all in eighths, so 3 is 3/8, 4 is 1/2 inch. Usually on the top you'll use something like a 5 or a 6, and then on the sides you go like a little bit shorter.
So when did you start cutting boys' hair?
You know, Alan was spending so much time going to the barber that I said I would try doing it myself. I watched a few videos, and 5 years later, here I am.
That's pretty awesome. I should start that with Michael.
You can see there's like a line right here.
Right.
Yeah, so we don't want that, but we'll go back in and blend that when we're done. So don't freak out about it. All right, now we're gonna switch it up. So give me a 5 over there, please, pretty please. Thank you. And I just snap it right on there. They're super easy. And then we're gonna start at the front and work our way back. Okay, Ford? Oh, that's so satisfying.
So when the hair is kind of going in all different directions, what do you do?
I just like follow against the hair. So if it's growing in one direction, I will go against it, and then I'll switch it up. So now I'm just gonna finish it up, make sure I'm really thorough over here. Nice catch, Ford. Seriously, Ford, you are so much easier to work with than Brooks. All right, so now we finished the top, but you can still see a little bit of the line around the edge. So what we'll do is we'll take a 4 and we'll just go back in and kind of do that area. It's called blending, I think. I think that's the technical term. And I kind of use this rocking motion. I saw it online one time.
Oh yeah.
And I like flick it.
Oh, look at that.
I feel all professional.
Blending right in there,
I'm just
buddy.
kind of using his skull as my guide. What do you usually do over here?
Nice moves, Meg.
All right, so now we just need to go back and do the sides and the back of the hair. So you can just remove it and use kind of this guy over here. But I actually have a smaller tool that I really like, especially for kids. And then I'm gonna comb it down, look straight ahead. This is the most important part for you, otherwise you look like a Lego man.
Ford's haircut looks like a Lego man.
And then I just kind of comb it over the ears. This is really like, this is the part that stresses me out the most. So I just usually start pretty low on it and go up just a little bit higher and follow the curve of your ear. A lot of the little tools you have will have like a taper that you can use around the ear, but I don't know, I feel like this is easier when the kid's head is so small. And this really helps create like a nice straight line, which is like, I think, the signature of a haircut. Just using the comb to kind of comb it down, and then I'll go back in with this. All right, Ford, what do you think? Take your cape off. Throw it away. Throw it away. Ready? All right, your haircut is done. I'm gonna leave the styling to Laura.
All right, here we go. We're gonna make it a little spiky in the front. What do you think?
That looks so cute, Fordy.
This is perfect for summertime, buddy. High five. Yes, thanks for coming. All right, so Ford's off showing off his new haircut.
We hope this gives you guys the courage to try cutting your own son's hair.
And I'll see you next week, guys. Bye.
I think you can scrub through and do it.
Do it.
No, if you want to.